Hi there, this is Maneesh Vijaya from PM Pulse. Let's have a look at this website called pmpulse.com. Let's see what all it contains and what all it can help you with. Let's have a look. When you type the URL www.pm-pulse.com on your browser, you will be presented with an uncluttered view of our home page. There are quite a few interesting and informative sections on this website once you start scrolling down. First, let's look at PM Gyaan. PM Gyaan is a series of images where each image presents a very important concept of project management in a very interesting and engaging manner. You can scroll through tons of PM Gyaans already posted and click on any one of them to enlarge them. Once enlarged, it would be a lot easier to read and understand, and if you like it, you may even leave a comment. However, you need to be a member of this site to be able to comment. You can then feast on these amazing PM Gyaans which are unique to this site alone and cannot be found anywhere else. When you click and enlarge any of the PM Gyaans to read it, you may also use the site tabs to directly share them to one or more of the social media sites that you may be on, if you wish to do so. As you go back to the home page, the next section to see is the one that is titled PM Talk. PM Talk is the primary blog site of PM Pulse. When you click on this section, you will be presented with a host of project management blogs that are very well researched and provide extensive learning that you could literally apply to your projects and career. You may read the blog by clicking on View Blog button of any of the blogs. Each blog has been made with immense research, my own curated thoughts, best practices presented in interesting manner, as well as language that would work with every culture and country where they speak English. If you are a member of the site, you can even provide comments as well for each of the blogs that you read. You can return to PM Talk homepage and continue to scroll through the various blogs and select the ones that take your fancy. Some of the best projects undertaken in the world, along with some of the biggest project disasters, have been discussed through some of these blogs as well. Each of such blogs help the reader obtain amazing real-world project lessons that would make the reader practically effective. Each of these blogs may be shared on one or more of your social media through the site tabs. The next section is Watch PM. This is where we use videos as the medium for delivering important and engaging project management information. Here, we even pick up some of the widely misunderstood topics as well as some of the most controversial topics among a host of other project management topics. To be able to share a video of your liking on your social media, you would need to click on the title of the video, and when you do that, you would also have a larger screen to view the video on, and then of course you will use the site tabs to share it. You can also leave a comment if you are a member of the site. Next, let us check out the menu item, Are you a member? This section shows you the benefits of becoming a member as well as a form to enter some basic information to obtain your membership. There is no charge. You will receive your access details on your email. If you do not see your email in your main inbox, do have a look at the spam folder as well. As we scroll further down the home page, the latest PM Gyaan as well as the latest blogs are visible. Further down, the announcements are also shown. At the end, we have some testimonials for our services. We also conduct a lot of workshops. This section provides the schedule of our workshops for the foreseeable future. You can select the workshop you like, read the summary, and if you wish to check out further details, click View Details. This will take you to a landing page which would not only have all the information and videos about the workshop, it would also contain several FAQs or facts that would provide all the answers that you seek regarding the workshop. This is also the page from where you can submit your interest to allow someone from PM Pulse to get connected with you. At PM Pulse, we are very passionate about project management and to ensure that others get the best and most detailed information around project management, we conduct at least 4 to 5 webinars each week. In the webinar homepage, you will see 2 kinds of webinars. One is a paid webinar series called PMP Clinic and the other is free webinar series called PMP Webinar Weekdays. As you enter webinar weekdays, you will find 25 episodes of these webinars where each episode would discuss something very crucial for the PMP candidates. Specific dates and duration of each of the webinar is mentioned, and if you wish to attend one, just click on the accompanying registration link and follow the steps from there on. When you click the PMP Clinic, the paid webinar series, you will see a full list of all topics with their applicable fees as well as the date and duration for you to make a choice. The content proposed to be discussed through each of these episodes are clearly mentioned for you to make an informed decision. Again, you may click on the accompanying registration link to register for your topic that you like and follow the steps leading to registration. At PM Pulse, we also provide over 120 kinds of trainings. We not only have standard trainings, but also possess the capability to provide customized engagements to every kind of domain or industry where project management is undertaken. Our USP is practical applicability of everything connected to strategy, program, and project management. PM Pulse is also known for consulting. We provide consulting on a lot of important capabilities that organizations serious about project management must possess. Visit this section to check out all we provide in the form of consulting. From installing a PMO at your organization to finding complexity as well as project productivity benchmarks. If it is projects, we provide all kinds of consulting. When it comes to strategy, program and project management, we endeavor to provide everything under one roof.
Well, that's pm-pulse.com for you. Keep tuned and keep visiting. This is Maneesh from PM Pulse. Thank you for watching.